Lights go out on the Olympia overhead doors pace car. He makes his exit over there in turn number 3. Bedow now going to pace the field to the start line just off at turn number 4.
She sees my manly physique and she's so...
And we are underway. 4-lap trophy dash for the Lexar Holmes Legend. Side by side, they go off into turns 1 and 2. Rick McNeil trying to make a move on the outside of Randy Bedow. Bedow charges right back going into 3. As they come off at turn number 4, Randy Bedow leading the way. Dwayne Swanson now trying to move forward to get past McNeil. The dinosaur, Dwayne Swanson, and he's bringing Devin West right along with him as they come off of turn number 4, halfway in this 4-lap dash. Nose to tail down the backstretch. They'll see the white flag when they come by this time. Randy Bedow still leading the way. Dwayne Swanson into the back bumper of Bedow as they come across the line. Swanson gave him a tap and then back off and let Bedow gather it up. And he's pushing him off at turn number 2. And now Swanson looking to the outside. Here comes Devin West as well. As they come off at turn number 4, your winner, Randy Bedow. And Devin West just inching past Swanson for that second spot. So let's just go ahead and go green. Scoot over senior, he went around and it looked like the 36 Robert Clark was going to get by, but he just got tapped.
I have to go get new glasses.
Time they come around.
These ones have the nose piece and I don't like that. I would actually prefer the color like this. Because the nose piece, since my nose got broken,
sailing out to the lead as they're coming off of turn number 4. We had another one drop out, so we got Dustin Johnson leading the way. Larry Cantrell running second. And sitting in that third spot is the 90th Jerry Carbaugh. Good early run here for Dustin Johnson. 2 laps complete as they come across the line. Johnson, Cantrell. Across the line this time will be halfway in this 8-lap heat race for the Lexar Holmes Legends. We have one more heat race coming up after this one. Just a reminder for everybody, we have 2 designated smoking areas that are down at either end of the grandstand. So up in the grandstands area, there is no smoking areas directly enforced. But we do have designated areas down at either end of the grandstands in the blue areas where smoking is allowed. Nowhere else in the grandstands area is smoking allowed. The white flag came out. Dustin Johnson just one more set of corners. Dustin Johnson, followed by Larry Cantrell and Jerry Carbaugh. Heats for the Lexar Holmes Legends. Larry Wagner, Kyle Kinsbach making up that front row as they pace their way to the start line. Green flag is out. We are underway. inside of Wagner. Wagner's able to keep up with the field. Moving up to the third, he's trying to chase down that front row. As they come off of turn number 4, Wagner leading the way. Now Rick McNeil pulled up alongside and Kyle Kinlock. He's going to make that pass to second. And we see Devin West. Devin West comes into tonight sharing the points lead with the 16 of Dwayne Swanson, who's running right behind Devin. Devin West now looking to the inside, right down on top of the rumble stretch. West makes the pass coming off of turn number 2 as he goes out in front of Wagner. Now Rick McNeil as well is going to work himself by Wagner. Your new leader, Devin West, followed by Rick McNeil. Randy Bennow right now side by side, and he's going to make the pass up in the third with Dwayne Swanson sitting third. A little bit of contact between Kinsbach and Wagner in the back of the pack, but they're both able to gather up their cars. We're now single file from front to back. Dwayne Swanson right in the rear number of Bennow. That's the battle for third. Meanwhile, up front, Devin West checking out on the field. Dwayne Swanson still putting under the pressure on Bennow in that battle for third. Swanson moving right back out, taking a peek to the outside. He goes right up along the back stretch wall. He gets to the rear bumper of Bennow, but he's not been able to get around him. The white flag is out. And a strong start to the 2017 season for that 5W Devin West as he picks up the win here in this heat race for the Lexar Homes Legends. Rick McNeil coming home second. Then it was Randy Bennow. Dwayne